Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or set up the family pairing on TikTok, so like the family safety mode. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, for the TikTok app on iOS and Android devices. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the TikTok application, select the profile button in the bottom right corner of TikTok, and then go up and select the hamburger icon in the top right, left click on it, and then select settings and privacy. Go underneath content and display, and you want to select where it says family pairing. Go ahead and open that up. So at this point, you go ahead and continue in here, and then you can sync up your account. So it could say who's using this current account. You can select parent, and then you will go ahead and scan the code to link your other account. It gives you the instructions to sign into your dependent's account. So you would log into their TikTok, go to settings and privacy like we just did, tap family pairing, and then select the teen option. And then you would scan the QR code right here to link the accounts. You can also send an invite via messaging. You can select the send invite option. So that's another option to explore. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.